to this video. This is our last day here in beach resort here in Diba Fujairah. So grabe na enjoy kami ni Kitipay guys. Yung gigising ka na ganun ang makikita mo, di ba? Grabe, very relaxing talaga siya. At saka in the morning guys, dami diyang maglalakad. Yung iba talaga kasi dito guys, nakatira sila. Yes, more than 1 month na dito sila mag-barbecue, magluluto. Ang sarap talaga. Ang sarap sa feelings. Yes, grabe. Nakakapag-relax. Sorry guys, on Ras Al Khaimah. We travel around more than 1 hour, I think. Yeah, more than 1 hour, right? 1 hour, yes, from Diba to Ras Al Khaimah. Actually, pupunta sana kami ulit sa Fujairah, doon sa Fujairah Resort. Yeah, pero mas bet ko ngayon sa Ras Al Khaimah kasi hindi na din kami nakapunta ng Ras Al Khaimah. Matagal na eh. Last April nandun kami sa Fujairah. I celebrate my birthday. So, nakapunta kami ni Kitipay sa Ras Al Khaimah sa Al Marjan. Last 5 years ago yata. Yeah, when we are in Dubai. So, ngayon, it's too much development na. But now we are not check-in in the Al Marjan Hotel. But still in the Al Marjan inside the island. But we are in the Rixos Hotel. Babul. What's that? Barb? So doon daw si Kitipay gusto mag-kayaki. Hindi niya bet ang kayaki dito guys kasi I don't know kung bakit. Na-disappoint siya doon sa sa boating namin to going to rock. The big rock there. Actually yan ang purpose niya na puntahan eh. Kaso panay kami tawag sa kahit 600 dirham igo na lang sana namin. Kasi yun lang talaga ang punta namin doon sa rock na na famous na yun. Kaso wala talagang sumagot sa amin kasi busy lahat. Kasi nga it's weekend, 'di ba? Ang dami doon guys talaga makikita namin. Meron din sila doong dinner cruise. Dinner cruise 25, right? Yeah, the couple is 1,200. So they will pick up you in the hotel and then they will bring you there for 3 hours, right? So you are turning all with buffet like that. Couples 1,200 dirham. Kaso hindi namin bid kasi pag gabi sana okay. Kaso it's a lunch, wala silang gabi. Yeah, only in afternoon. That's why I tell them they don't have night. Only lunch. That's why. Pag gabi sana, go kami kasi 'di ba maganda pag gabi mga lights at saka hindi masyadong mainit. Ang init kasi ngayon, guys, it's summer here. Kaya hindi kami makago ng mga ganun na lunch na mga buffet. Luging-lugi talaga kami. Lalo na ako, speaking of me for buffet, Diyos ko, ang hina kong kumain talaga. Luging-lugi talaga ako. You know, I can imagine this one in the Kyrgyzstan. Woo! The Kyrgyzstan. They have also trees like that's the so this is
wow.
Nice. This is the hotel we check in on. Welcome here. Al Marjan. So this is the view of our hotel apartment here in Ras Al Khaimah. Yes. So we go to the swimming pool. Oh my god, too much people. Too much people, people. This is the swimming pool. Yes. And the beach. Remember that. It's fine. So we are in the 3rd floor. This is the beach access place. Ganda naman sa'yo. Okay. Oo, nila malaki ko. Mamaya ito. So this is the beach. Kitipay wearing a Maldives t-shirt for his souvenir. Actually, I have liked them. See, this is the playground there. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have also, what's this na? So we're making a towel also. So, what time they will close? Ayan, the beach is open until what time? Oh, so they have also this one. Oh. Para lighting, oy. The sunset is coming now. Sunset is coming. Sunset. So this is our building look like in the front. So we will check there because they have too much their store or cafeteria down. Yeah. Actually, pagod na ako. Parang gusto ko na lang sanang matulog. Sa room. Kaso, kailangan mag-explore muna kami dito. Matagal na din kaming hindi nakapunta sa Ras Al Khaimah. All inside, they have all everything. See, this is the Healthy First Pharmacy. Oh, wow, they have salon. See, this is the Boardwalk Supermarket. Pharmacy. See the sunset. See this club also gym. Just gym. This is nice here. What's this? Instructor, it's so nice. It's like this the design of the what's this Royal Hotel. Like this the design, but too much low. Explore kami doon sa may corniche nito sa Al Marjan Island. See the sunset. Pine tree. I think this is a pine tree. Is this a pine tree, Kitty Pie? Huh? Is a palm tree? Oh, I think it's a pine tree. Pine tree. I don't know what to. See, that is the hotel. It's nice actually. What's this? The design of the hotel is amazing also. Same in the Royal Hotel of Dubai. Ang ganda ng nila cycle line. Ang gabi ng hangin. Sarap ng hangin. Oh my God, see the sunset, baby? Can you check me here in the sunset? Hi, Ming Ming! Oh, Ming! Oh my God, it's too much. Oh, there's a... But the bad thing is they don't have anything here in the Cornitsa. Nothing is food like coffee. Actually, it's maybe they will develop this. Yeah. But it's nice na they're basic. Yeah, in the beach you look at. My God. Actually, it's nice in the night. Ming Ming, I don't have foods, okay? No foods. Huh? You like me? Ming Ming? Sa loob ng pinitirhan ng lahat ng dito. Mga pagkain, mga chocolates, o short up ni cake. So, dito tag-80 dirham lang. Malaki ng save namin. Kaya bumili ako ng pangko. Padala lang please. Cheers! Don't go over. Then also breakfast here actually. And then saya. See, it's also really good no. Wrong namin. Sorry. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Pagod na pagod ako. Grabe ang init. See, this is our view. This is our sala, TV, sofa bed. And actually, this is my dream kitchen. I like this design. Yeah. See our lunch. Kumain kami kanina pagdating din after natulog ako. Hindi pa nga ako talaga nakapagbihis. Nag-change lang talaga ako ng shoes to slipper. So when this is our room. Yeah. So don't mind our luggage kasi pagod ako. This is our bed and this is our terrace. Our view is a sea view. Yeah. It's so very relaxing again the place, guys. Maganda din to pag naka-honeymoon kayo. Yes, and this is a small drawer. We can drawer here. Yeah. But the bad thing, you know the minus one, we don't have TV in our room.
Yeah, only in Sala.
Only in the sala. So this is and we have public bathroom. So this is we have bathroom in the there.
Yeah, that's right. That's okay.
Yeah, this is the private. And we have this is the one only I will bring.
Did you?
Yeah, this is a plastic.
No, that's positivity.
Yeah, fresh cake. We can bring this. Let's get it. If you will pay. Takot sa kita pa. Ano siya makabayad? Isla talaga. See? Oh my God. So nagmo-mall kami guys kasi akala ko talaga ano lang kami 3 days lang kami doon sa what do you mean by this? Sa Diba. Ngayon napag-isipan din namin na magpunta ng Ras Al Khaimah and then bukas na naman daw pupunta na naman daw kami. I don't know kung saan ba kami sa Radisson or saan yun. Where's that already? Banana Beach? Yeah. So gusto pa niya guys sa Wednesday pa talaga daw. Kaya mag-shopping kami kasi wala na kaming damit sa suot. I think we need to fix. Ngayon guys, pupunta na kami sa banana daw pala talaga yan. Kala ko banan. Banan kasi sa sa Saiki. Pero ito hindi na alam yung banan. Banana lang ano. Yes, right? So this is the last guys. I'm 100% sure bukas talaga kami. Check out na talaga kami bukas. No more extension.